Dhaka International University.
Or Oxford University. It established more than 1,000 years ago. It takes 1,000 years to establish a quality university. And whereas our university, newly formed university, it was established in 1995. And we are trying together to develop the university, to increase the quality also. And to establish a quality university, it takes time. It's not possible with a very short time. Generation to generation, it will functioning, and step by step, the quality will increase. And the founder of the university, Dr. Patwari, was a professor of Dhaka University, with a great mission and vision to establish this university. And the successors, the trustees of this university, working together to develop the university. And I believe the university, Dhaka International University, it is developing, quality increasing, and will survive. And very short as possible of time, the university will be the leading one. I thank Professor Dr. Muhammad bin Muhammad to join this university, and I also thank all the colleagues and teachers of this university. Thank you all.